Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to transform your kitchen into a cozy and charming yellow country kitchen. Today, we'll be using a delightful selection of components to achieve that warm and inviting look. So let's roll up our sleeves and get started. The first step is to create a vibrant backdrop with a yellow color scheme. Begin by painting the walls a soft shade of yellow that complements the rest of the kitchen's components. Now, let's install those beautiful yellow country-style cabinets. They'll serve as the anchor for our country kitchen design. A hallmark of country kitchens is the farmhouse sink. It adds a touch of nostalgia and practicality. Install the farmhouse sink beneath the kitchen window. Now, let's add the classic touch with a white subway tile backsplash. This will create a clean and fresh look. To bring a splash of cheerfulness, hang up those lovely yellow floral curtains. They'll soften the look and let in just the right amount of natural light. Country kitchens are all about functional and decorative elements. Let's hang a rustic hanging pot rack over the kitchen island. It's perfect for keeping your cookware within easy reach and adds a charming touch. For our countertops, we'll use a butcher block. Its warm wooden tones are perfect for the country kitchen style. Now, let's add a touch of nostalgia with vintage kitchen appliances. These appliances will bring back the charm of yesteryears while serving their modern purposes. Open shelving is both functional and decorative. Let's install them to display your favorite dishes and kitchenware. Now, let's introduce some rustic storage solutions, wicker or rattan baskets and mason jar storage. They are not only practical but also add to the country's ambience. To enhance the country's charm, consider adding wooden ceiling beams. They bring a rustic touch to the kitchen's ceiling. Additionally, hang up those elegant ceramic farmhouse-style sink accessories. They'll add a lovely accent to your sink area. Now, let's focus on lighting. Vintage-style pendant lights will provide both functional and decorative illumination. Finally, add a floral or gingham-patterned tablecloth to the rustic wooden dining table. It completes the look and adds a cozy atmosphere to your yellow country kitchen. Congratulations! You've successfully transformed your kitchen into a beautiful yellow country kitchen. Enjoy the warmth and charm it brings to your home. Thanks for joining us, and happy decorating!